Does the new 2022-23 Kawasaki Ultra 310 burn significantly more fuel compared to the Yamaha FX SVHO at cruising speed, 45 miles an hour? If so, how much more? I would say about a mile per. Let's see. We averaged 50 miles an hour when we did our cold weather ride with a Ultra 310. He was getting about 4.6 to 4.8 miles per gallon. The Sea-Doos were doing a little bit better. The Yamahas did the best. The Yamahas were averaging over 6.25 miles per gallon. So the Cowie was just extraordinarily worse. And that is, again, because the ski has so much more drag. There's so much more hull under the waterline. It just has a lot more drag. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.